Hey, another one of our 347s. Again, here at Performance Unlimited, it's custom building engines your way. Customer chose a nice black engine. We have Edelbrock heads on here. We have a nice chrome oil pan. We have an Eagle rotating assembly. This one happens to have a March alternator on it. Again, when we build engines, we like to make sure we have good parts in our engine. We use ARP head bolts, all our engines, and there's ARP main studs in all our motor, or ARP bolts, what have you. We love the Holley carburetors, MSD distributors, and Taylor wires. Again, what separates us from the rest is that we custom build dyno your engine or run your motor. All engines are broken in and set up, and that'll make it real easy. Again, thank you for your interest. Peace and God bless. Thanks.